check this out. These image ads that you're seeing right now, I made all of them in under 5 minutes using the new AI Nano Banana Pro model, and the results have shocked me and left me on the floor. No Photoshop, no Canva, no photographer, and no fancy image editors. Just pure on-demand quality image ads using the new Google Banana Pro model. And this is going to be simplifying making dropshipping image ads a ton. And I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can remake these type of image ads for your own e-commerce or dropshipping product, and it's going to take less than 10 minutes. Now, before we get into the video, guys, I have set a like goal for this video of 1,000 likes. That just shows me that you support the channel and you enjoy these kind of videos. And to make it even better for you guys, instantly available in the pinned comment and in the description below is going to be a Google Doc with the prompts and the workflows that I'm going to be using throughout the video to get these type of image ads. Now, I also want to make a quick disclaimer, which is results will vary depending on your product and your store, and this is also not financial advice. Now, without further ado, guys, let's get straight into creating some jaw-dropping image ads for our e-commerce and dropshipping stores. Now, the first thing that I want to do is show you the product that I'm going to be using throughout the whole example in this video, which is this calf/leg massager. Now, if you guys are wondering which platform this is for the product, I'm not using AliExpress. I use a company called Teamdrop. Now, I'm doing this as a dropshipper. If you're watching this and you own an e-commerce store or a D2C brand, or you're a dropshipper, it's all the same, so it doesn't matter. I'm just showing you the product that I'm using. Now, for all of my dropshipping stores, I use Teamdrop because they are the best dropshipping supplier. Now, one of the reasons why I like them so much is because of the amount of shipping lines they have and how quick they can get my product to the customer. Now, if you want to check out Teamdrop, there will be a link in the description. Now, the first thing that I need to do, guys, is get a basic shot of the product like this on a white background. So make sure you've got an image like this of your product where it's on a simple white background. Now, this image can also work, but an image like this, you're going to get the best results where it's a clean white background and it shows the product up close with all of the features. So for example, I might have this as a backup image and I might also have this one as another image. But the main image I'm going to be using is this one right here. So now we've got our base image. You're going to want to come over to this custom GPT that I built for you guys, which makes the process so easy. Now, to get those crazy results that I showed you with Google's new Nano Banana, you need to have the great prompts. Now, I've designed this custom GPT to give you guys amazing outputs in terms of prompts. So as soon as you've come to this custom GPT, that'll be available for you guys to use in the link in the pinned comment and in the description. You just want to come over to where it says make me an AI image prompt. Now, as soon as you click that button, it's going to ask you for a few things. Now, once you click that prompt button, it's going to respond saying it can't proceed just yet because it's going to need your brand name, your brand colors, your product name, product description, and 3 to 5 benefits of your product. And the reason why we need that is because it's going to use that in the prompts later to get the right colors and the right features in the images. Now, remember, guys, our job is to do no work here in terms of the photo. Once the image is made, that's it. Now, for that to be the case, we need to get this right. So make sure you import all that information. Now, for me, I've just pasted this big paragraph that goes over my brand name, brand colors, product name, product description, and 3 to 5 benefits. You can clearly get all of this information from your Shopify store, so make sure you do that. Now, once you've done that, guys, you're going to want to click send. Now you can see in the follow-up message, it's now saying it's got the brand colors, the brand details, and the benefits, but now it's missing some inspo image. So how this custom GPT works is it goes off an inspo ad that you give it. So you give it an inspo ad and it remakes it for your product. Now you might be wondering, well, where are we going to get good inspo ads from? Now, one of the places that I like to go to is Dribbble, and I type in image ads, and now you can see loads of amazing looking image ads are coming up that I can recreate for my product. You can clearly see some of these image ads are absolutely amazing. Now, for example, this bottom one here is probably my favorite. So I can simply just print screen this, and you can see there's loads of other listings for image ads on Dribbble that I can use. Now, another place that I like to go to get image ads inspo is if you come over to Canva and type in product features and scroll down, you're going to see loads of other inspiration. Now, another great place to do this is if you go over to X or Twitter and type in image ads. Now, whilst you're on X anyway, you might as well follow me. So here's my account so you can follow me. Now, going back to what we were here for, guys, is you want to type in image ads, filter it by media, and then you're going to see other people posting inspo image ads that we can use. So for example, these are some good inspirations here, but essentially what we're doing, guys, is we're trying to find inspo ads that we can reuse. And these are the 3 platforms that I primarily use. Now, once you've got that inspo, you're going to want to upload the inspo here. Now, this is the inspo ad that I found, so I've just uploaded it, and I'm going to put this is my inspo. So you can see I've replied saying this is my inspo ad. Now the GPT is going to analyze this image and remake the prompt for us based on all of this information. Now this can take a little bit of time. So whilst we're doing this, guys, we need to get our Google Nano Banana Pro ready to go. Now to be able to use Google Nano Banana, I'm actually going to be using InVideo to do this, guys. And the good news for you is I've got a special offer right now for you where if you pick one of their paid plans, you're going to get unlimited, I said unlimited, Google Nano Banana for the next 1 year. So imagine the amount of money you're going to be saving by using that crazy offer. So make sure you choose one of their paid plans using my link in the description and in the pinned comment, because you're going to get unlimited Google Banana and you're going to absolutely use this thing so much. So it's definitely worth the ROI. Now, once you've signed up to InVideo, you're going to go to where it says agents and models. You're then going to see Nano Banana 2. You're going to select it. Then it's going to ask you for a new project. You're going to call this your product name, and then you're going to see these options in the bottom. So you're going to see this little toggle feature where it says resolution. So you can choose if you want 1K, 2K, or 4K. I usually choose 2K. Then you're going to see the aspect ratio. You're going to want this 1:1. Now, obviously, if you're doing story ads, you're going to want this to be 9:16, but I'm going to be doing normal ads, so I'm going to be doing 1:1. Then you're going to see how many variations it makes. I usually use 2. And then you're going to see the reference upload. So this is where you're going to want to upload that reference image of the product. So for me, that is the reference image of the product, which is the simple image on a white background. Now, the reference image that I've uploaded, guys, is that simple product image on a white background. So now we've got all these settings ready. We can go back to the GPT and check this out, guys. We've now got our prompt. So now where it says generate an image, we're going to want to use it from there. Now you're going to want to copy the prompt till where it says final composition, and then you're going to click copy. And then you're going to come back over here and click paste, and then you're going to click generate. Now, whilst we're waiting for that to be generated, guys, we might as well give it the next inspo image. Now, the next inspo image I've got is this one here, which is really cool looking. So I'm going to upload that image and click this is my inspo ad again. I'm then going to copy that second prompt and click paste, and then I'm going to remake that image. I'm going to go back to the GPT again and upload the next inspiration that I've got, which is this one here. Now check these results out, guys. This is one of the images it made, and it says relieve tension every day, boost circulation, ease muscle tension. And you can see this here. You got the icons, you got over 50,000 customers. You got an image of somebody holding the product in their hands. Guys, this is jaw-dropping results in my opinion. To usually make an image like this, it would take me around about 30 to 60 minutes on Canva. And the way it's been able to put it all together is honestly mind-blowing. Now, you might be watching this thinking maybe that's just one shot of luck. It's not going to make more image ads as good as this. We're going to put it to the test. So here's the next prompt, guys. We're going to click generate, and we're going to wait for this one. Now, I will admit that the first one that it made was a bit of an It's not bad, don't get me wrong. This one's still very good. I need to remake the bottom bit because that's not correct from only 0.6 cents per session. I need to reprompt it to tell it that's not the case. But this image isn't terrible, but it's definitely not as wow factor as this one. And it's all based on the inspo ad that you give it. Now check out this next image ad that it made, guys. This one again is so good. Look at the product placement. Look at the way the icons are laid out. This is honestly amazing looking. Now it made this version as well, but I think I prefer this version. Again, to make something like that, guys, it would take me a while. Now let's give it quite a complex looking image ad. So this is the image that I'm giving it. It's like quite 3D. It's got these effects like this. It's got the gradient color. This is quite a complex image ad to remake. So this is the one we're going to get it to remake next. Now, this is definitely a challenge for an image ad maker because it's got to take all those complexities into its existence, but we're going to see if it can pull it off. Now, an image like this would have took a professional a very long time to make. It's the subtle details like the bokeh effect, the gradient color, the 3D feel. These are like big D2C brand style image ads, guys. So we're going to try and see if we can remake it. Let's get the drums rolling, guys, because we've now got the prompt from my custom GBT. So we're going to paste this in. So I'm going to copy this now, paste it in. and let's click generate, guys. Now again, if you didn't realize, this is more of a complex image ad for it to make. Let's see if it can rise to the occasion or it's going to break it. Guys, what can I say? It looks like it's risen to the occasion. Soothe your legs without the effort. It's got like these heated bubbles, which look really, really nice. It's got the bokeh effect, the blur. Honestly, guys, it's even got like this outlined leg. It looks like a leg. I think that's what it's trying to look like. And honestly, guys, these results are so jaw-dropping to me. To make this, it would cost hundreds of dollars, or it would take a long, long time. I'd probably say this one's my favorite out of the two. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below what you guys think of this. To me, I'm blown away. You got to remember, I've been in dropshipping e-commerce since 2017. So like, I've been in the game very early, and to think this is possible now without really doing anything is just, to me, mind-blowing, guys. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Now, the next prompt we're going to give it is more of a lifestyle looking one like this, which is, I wouldn't say it's too complex, but there's more going on. It's got a human in there, and then it's got the product at the bottom. So let's see how we can do this one. Just that last image ad there it made, guys, is blowing me away enough to say that this is honestly a game changer. But let's see if it can make this lifestyle style of image now with the text and see if it looks great. Because these have just been like product features in the hand. There's not really been any lifestyle shots yet. So let's see how it looks. Well, there you go, guys. It's made the lifestyle image. Local men finds daily leg relief in just minutes. Experience effortless leg comfort with leg ease. Now, guys, honestly, these images are very impressive. Like, I don't know what to say to you guys apart from this is cracked. Like, this is broken in terms of how good it is. I can't see it getting any worse. I can only see it getting better and better from here. And in this state, it's a game changer in my opinion. This new Nano Banana Pro 2 only came out today. So it's me playing it live on this YouTube video with you. And again, it's just crazy. Like, you can see the date here in the top of my computer screen, Thursday, the 20th of November. So I'm doing it as soon as possible for you guys. And honestly, you guys need to start using it. Even if you're going to use it for your Shopify landing pages, not even your ads, it's a game changer. But anyway, guys, with that being said, these are the results that you can get using this method. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment section below, and make sure you contribute towards the like goal, and I'll see you guys on the next video.